How to download YouTube videos to watch offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos to watch offline. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can simply search for the video that you want to download. So here, simply search for the video that you want to download. And now here, once you've found the video that you want to download, just tap on the download button, which can be seen under the video. So simply tap on it, and now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, simply select the quality in which you want to download the video, and after that you can just tap on download. And now here, once you download the video, the video will be downloaded and will be saved inside the YouTube app. So here, if you want to find the downloaded video, you can simply go back and tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, there you'll see the option labeled as downloads. So simply tap on it, and there you go. That's it. That's how you can download YouTube videos to watch offline. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.